Hi, I'm Dylan Ochoa. I'm a senior at Northview High School and I'm part of the woodworking pathway. I like all the diverse pathways that they offer here, and it offers a lot of opportunity for students to explore what they like. I've learned how to operate a lot of the machinery like this drill press behind me, and it's helped me teach other students how to work with them and to be safe while we're working on our projects. In the future, I plan to get my degree in business management, and this pathway has helped me by learning how to work hard, work well with others, and being able to finish my projects on time. Go Vikings!